Went down too far. I seen that then. So what I need to practice on is keeping this motherfucker a distance.
But look at it though.
from
Yeah.
it.
But now look at the bead. We ain't even gotta look at it. But you can tell from the slag, you did pretty good. We ain't even gotta look at it. You can tell that it ain't skinny, it ain't fat.
I feel
it ain't
better about it.
You feel. Now just look at it. See, look at that. See, that comes from
Porosity.
that plate had porosity in it. Now, when you started, it could have been a little slow because we used a plate that already had a couple holes in it, so that could have been the issue. Or it could have been started when you was a little too close.
Yeah, that's what I feel.
Remember I said if you get too close, you can blow that gas out.
I came up right here and I seen it better. I said,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
So you want to get it, so just keep that in mind. You want to get it where you can see what you're doing all the time. And that's going to help you perform a better weld. But you never doing Fluxcore, bro, you already dropping a good bead. So it's only a matter of time before you critique it. All you got to do is just stay on and stay practice now. Now you see it. Staying close, keeping that gap. Once you know you can't see, if you blind yourself, you know you did something wrong.
You're doing everything wrong.
So that's the main thing. Make sure you can see when you do it and you good.